patients. Thanks so much for taking a minute to watch this video. Just want to tell you that we appreciate you so much, and we've been so thankful to be able to take care of you even during this crazy turbulent time. You know, we've been fortunate that we've been able to be open, and that we've been able to be here to take care of you with your spinal needs. And man, we just thank y'all for letting us do that. You know, we're starting to see an uptick in our visits each week. We're still doing what we can, making sure that we're keeping folks distanced apart enough and following by those guidelines. And so, we do have limited number of visits per day that we're allowing folks to come in, but we're just spreading those out over some more time. And so we just want to tell you thank you for letting us take care of you. And so many of you have been bringing us your baked goods that you've been making over this past few weeks. And man, thank you so much for that as well. And just to get started, just wanted to share a little verse that's meant a lot to me from the Bible the past few weeks. And it's Isaiah 26:3. It says, "You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast because they trust in you." So that verse has meant a lot to me. Obviously, a lot of stuff's been going on here recently, and our minds can go a lot of different places. And that verse has helped kind of keep me grounded and reminded me to put my trust and my faith in the Lord, and not necessarily in just what maybe the media is telling me or the government's telling me or what some website might be telling me. So just want to encourage you with that as well. So wanted to go over another little exercise that may help you if you're working from home. This is something that we teach in our office. It's called a posture medic. It's a really great little tool. It's really good to help help your middle back. If you're getting that tightness in between your shoulders or that kind of knot in between the middle of your back on the right side or the left side. It's a great tool. We give you some stretches that you do with it. We give you some stretching exercises and some strengthening exercises. I'm not going to necessarily go through all of them with you right here, but you can also take this and put it on like a backpack, and then you kind of wear it. So that way it also helps to keep your shoulders back. You don't wear it all day, but you can wear it for 20 minutes or so a day. So this is something that we do with our patients that are having neck or middle back issues in our office. And so it's something that I think that actually helps aid the adjustment. The adjustments are key. If you happen to come in and get your adjustments, call us. We'd love to get you in. If you're not from around Spartanburg area, find a good chiropractor. You could go to integritydoctors.com. That website will help direct you to a really good chiropractor. Or if you're in the state of South Carolina, you can actually go to the South Carolina Chiropractic Association website and find a good doctor. But if you're in Spartanburg, make sure you're coming in to see us, so that way we can take care of your spine. We know when we're getting adjusted, then we are going to have your pain level reduce. We're going to have your muscle spasms and tension reduce, and we're going to help your joint mobility increase. So those are all good things, and those are things that only a chiropractor can do for you. But we also like to give you some exercises to do at home, like this posture medic, that would help you as well. So again, thanks for letting us take care of you. Hope you have a great week. Know that we're here for you.